Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Dz09 has juice and connectivity. Charge it for at least 2 hours until the battery icon shows full. This prevents interruptions during setup. Once charged, open the back, insert the SIM and optional micro SD, align the gold contacts and press until it clicks so the phone module registers. After that, press and hold the side button for about 3 to 5 seconds to power on. You'll see the boot logo once the device initializes. Once the watch is on, pair it to your phone. Enable Bluetooth, scan, and tap Dz09 or the shown ID to connect. This lets you sync calls and notifications. Next, open settings to set language, time, and date so alarms and messages display correctly. Then configure sound, do not disturb, and brightness. Make sure notifications are allowed on your phone app. If you need advanced phone functions, install the recommended MediaTek Companion app, or use the onboard dialer to test calling and SMS features. To finish, learn daily interactions. Swipe or use gestures to move between watch faces and apps. Tap to open and long press to select. This keeps actions quick. Make sure firmware is current by checking the companion app or installing an update from microSD, since updates fix bugs and improve battery life. If the watch becomes unresponsive, perform a restore via Settings Restore after backing up contacts and files. This clears glitches. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth on both devices and reboot the watch. One quick reboot off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.